Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm currently working on a 2011 Toyota Camry, 2011 Toyota Corolla with a 1.8 liter inline 4. I'm working on the ignition coils. Very simple to work on. You just unclip it, and you have a 10mm bolt. Very simple. Excuse the noise, I'm working outside. But very simple to fix. You got 4 of them. First cylinder, second cylinder, third cylinder, fourth cylinder. Very simple to take out. There you go. That's the old one. You can tell when they go bad because they start burning. This engine is hot, so always wear gloves. These are mechanics gloves. Let me get this part out. Here's what I do. I always make sure the part is right. Pardon me, guys. I'm only dealing with this one hand. Video's kind of shaky. There's the new spark plug ignition coil. Old, new. What you do? Bring it over here. Line everything up. Drop it down into your cylinder. Take your 10mm bolt. Line it up. Thread it in. Now, this engine's hot, so I do recommend wearing gloves. Tore it down, but not too tight.